Welcome to my channel. I am Ken Creates. Here I teach graphic design, electrical works, video editing, crafting, and social media tutorial. Today I will show you how to design a fast food poster in Canva step by step. Big thanks to all my subscribers, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. So guys, let's get started.
So guys, you go to your Canva. So we are in our Canva. Let's go to our custom size and choose the size 1080. So that's good. Create designs. So let's start. So this is our interface. Go to your and choose black background. So go to your image and choose the image you want to use. Remove the background. So after removing the background, enlarge it, make it enlarge it and crop it down small and bring it up. So go to your second element and choose the second image and make it up, and yes, that's good. Crop it down and bring it down, enlarge it to size the first one to make it good. Wow, that is nice like that. The next thing, go to your element and choose your hamburger. This is our hamburger. Crop it, so make it small, make it look small. So make it look small. So that is good, yes, do it like that. And go to your element again and choose your chips. These are our chicken chips. So let's go to our layers and bring it behind the hamburger. So behind the hamburger, so that is small. Wow, that is look nice. So the next thing we are going to do, go to your element again, go to your element and choose your shadow you want to use. This is our shadow. So let's put it in the hamburger first. This will make our hamburger look real. So bring it behind the hamburger. So that's good. And reduce the size of the shadow. Reduce the size, reduce it, and go to your node to direct it well. Yes, that's good. Go to your element and choose another shadow for the chips. Go to your layers and behind the chips. So that is behind the chips and reduce the size small. Reduce it. Wow, that is good. And go to your transparency and reduce it to make it look real. Wow, that is nice. So the next we are going, go to your text, go to your add a heading to write your text. Super. So the next thing, go to your color and change it to white. We have the font we are using regular brush for our fonts. So let's search for regular brush. So that is it. Click on it. So the next thing we are going to do, reduce your font. Go to your font and reduce it. So that is good like that. Bring it up here and go to your node, direct it well. That's good. Go to your text again, add a heading. So this one we are writing delicious. So that's it. Go to your fonts. So we are using League Gothic for our fonts. So let's search for League Gothic. So it is it. You're seeing our League Gothic. Click on it. Wow, that's nice. Go to your font size and reduce and increase it small. That's good like that. So bring it up. So the next thing, go to your node and direct it well. So the next thing, go to your color and choose your orange color. For it we are using this. Yes, so that's good. So that is the color we want to use. The next thing, go to your text again, add a heading, go here and type your burger. After typing your burger, so the next thing, go to your font size, go to your brush, your regular brush you are using, and go to your font size and increase it. So go to your color and use your white. So that's good, and bring it up. So that is good. Well, like this. The next we are going to do, we are using paint stroke. So these are paint brush. So this is our paint stroke brush. So paint it small and go to your notch, direct it up. So reduce the size small and direct it up again. Bend it well to make it fit the G and the X to match together, so it will look nice. So that's good. Bring it up. That's good. So the next thing, go to your color and use your orange color. Wow, that is nice. So next, go to your text, add heading and type your best deal. So that's it. So after typing your best deal, the next thing, just go to your color. So just go to your font and reduce the font to 50. It is good like this. So go to this place. Wow, that's nice. Put it on top the paint stroke and go to your font and use the League Gothic. Wow, it looks nice like this. So the next, you are going, go to your element and choose the smoke effects. We want to use these our smoke effects. So enlarge the smoke effects, enlarge it. That is good. And go to your transparency to reduce the transparency. So go to your layers first and put it down. Wow, that is nice like that. Yes, behind the wood, and reduce the transparency. So wow, reduce it small. Yes, and that is good. Go to your text heading and type your free order, free home. Yes, after typing your free home delivery. So go to your fonts. We are using regular brush. So that's it. That's good. And go to your font size to reduce the size. Reduce the size small. Wow, that's good. And put it on top here. Yes, that's good. Go to your node to direct it well. Now that's good. Again, go to your text again, add a heading and type your number. If you want to use 91 34 34 30 98. This is my number. So that's good. So if you want to contact me, this is my number to contact me. So reduce the size. Yes, that's good. And put it here. So go to your color and change it to white. No, let's use black. Black is good like that. So, and go to your text again and type your www.burgerkenny.com. So that's good. Just enlarge it, make it straight in a one paragraph, in one line. So that's good. And reduce it. Go to your font size, reduce it. Yeah, that is good. So then go bring it down and change. Go to your color and change it to white. Wow, that's good. So the next thing, go to your text again, add a heading and type your text, order now. Yes, order now. So go to your font and use your regular brush font. So reduce it. Wow, that's good. And come and put it here now. Yes, makes sense here. So the next thing, go to your elements and choose your scan code effects. So let's use this. Whoa, so that's nice. You reduce your scan code, reduce it to fit where you can stay under the order now. So reduce it small and put it under the order now. So put it under here. Yes, that is good. Nice. That is nice. So just go to your image and choose the blowing effects you are going to use to make it, duplicate it. So after duplicating it, duplicate it again and bring it down here. Yes, that makes sense. So duplicate it again and bring the fourth one down here. So that's it. Go to your layers for the top one and take it behind the super. Yes, take it behind the super. Yes, that's good like that. So now go to your share button, download it. Let's wait for it to download. Wow, it has downloaded. So I hope guys you guys enjoy our tutorial on how to make a fast food post.
Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you will see whenever I post a new video. Stay active, stay creative.